I'm Tom Bennerotte, and I'm the owner of Bennerotte & Associates. We specialize in representing people in personal injury cases, which includes workers' compensation, medical malpractice, and car crashes.
The car came to a complete stop in the middle of the freeway. Bam, something hit us from behind because we were there in the middle of the freeway. And I'm like, oh my God, what just happened? Then another van came on the left side and hit. Then came another one again and hit, bam. And we were taken to St. Joseph's Hospital. The insurance company wouldn't pay.
It's probably harder now than ever to get paid, even in situations when you should.
And then when it came on to getting paid for my time off from work because I couldn't work for a while, he really pushed the insurance company. He really got under their skin and look, you got to pay this lady. And got a nice, decent check in my hand, you know.
I love what I do.
I was doing 55 miles an hour and a young lady turned in front of me. I swerved to try and miss her, but collided with her anyway. And I wound up in the hospital. Even though you have insurance and you pay faithfully, they will not hand it over to you. They didn't want to pay my bills. And I needed Tom to, you know, get them to pay them.
The reason I got into the practice of law, or a large part of it is because in 1989 my sister died in a car crash. And I decided at that point in time, and it probably was something that developed over years, that if I could help people when they were in the same position I once was, that I wanted to do that, and that's a good share of the reason why I do what I do.
This kid that's worked for this big hotel downtown, valeting cars, came out this entrance that was connected to the sidewalk and without looking both ways ran me over and broke my ankle. And I'm laying in the middle of the street, man. My leg is going one way and my ankle is going the other. I was in shock. I was in shock. I wasn't able to get workman's comp. So they was able to get money from the insurance company to tie me over until my settlement was finalized. And that I really appreciated because I was really frantic.
What makes one person happy doesn't always make the next person happy. I'm not worried about the next person. When I'm helping them, I want them to be happy, and I want them to feel like I did the best job I ever could have for them.
You know how you always hear about you can't trust the lawyers and they all trying to beat you. Tom went over and beyond. He addressed all my issues. Every time I called him, he was Johnny on the spot, and he really made me feel like family.
He doesn't treat you like a client. He treats you like a friend.
Yeah, he's always on your side. He takes care of you.
I think a lot of times people will make the comment, and I've heard a lot of people say, you don't look like a lawyer, or you don't act like a lawyer, and to me that's the best compliment anyone could ever give me.